Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you hear my voice clearly and also see my screen clearly. Today is 15th of September. I just want us to look at our time frames from a lesser point of view. Let's look at maybe from 15 minutes time frames, or maybe 15 minutes. The high should be 30. We may go as low as 50. So I start off with the Euro USD here. So as I said yesterday, the indicator I'm having on my screen, this is just a custom indicator. You may not have it already. You may not have it already in MT4. It's the second I'm having delays with my MT4. I don't know what's happening. We'll be looking at our charts with this indicator here. This is just the normal resistance indicator. We have a very good resistance level from around this level here. This is not tested though. So we have a resistance here, we have a verified resistance here, we have a support here. It was broken and the price is using it as a turncoat resistance. Then we have a resistance here, and you have a support here. So if you are looking at this chart as we're speaking now, you should be expecting price to continue up. Like as it is now, this is not a sell place. If the price continues up to this zone here, then this will be the correct place to sell from. So we'll sell it there. If the price breaks beyond it, then our next level is this one. So the idea here will be to wait for price to touch this level, take a sell position, have a stop loss above this level here. If the price breaks above, then the next resistance is this one, the one we have at the top. The other symbol is GBP USD. So with the GBP USD, we do have a lot of levels. Just a second. With the GBP USD, we do have a lot of levels. There is, first we have, just a second, we have an untested resistance here. We have another untested resistance here. We have a turncoat resistance here. We have a turncoat support. We have a turncoat support, and then we have untested support and untested support here. So these are the places where if the price touches any of these levels, we'd like to see the colors of this zone change. If you find any verified resistance or a proven resistance level, then that will be the correct place to look for a sell from. We'll check the daily, 15 minutes. There is still no verified resistance level. On the 30 minutes, we still don't have any verified support level or resistance level. On the 1 hour, so on the 1 hour so far, that's exactly not how it should be. Just a second, let's see. So on the 1 hour, we do have a level here. We do have a very good support, though it's untested. We have another support here, then you have a resistance here. So at the top here, there is a verified resistance level. So if the price comes up and touches this verified resistance level, then this should be the correct place to look for a sell from. So as it is now, we are basically just waiting. We'll to see price touch the verified zones so that we pick a sell position, or if the price goes down and touches a verified support, then we'll look for a buy position. The other symbol, USDJPY. For the USDJPY, so far we do have a verified resistance level here. We have a turncoat support, we have untested support, and then you have untested support here. If the price touches any of these levels, especially the verified levels, then these are going to give us the correct place to look for trades from. We'll check 30 minutes. 30 minutes we have a level here. This is a very good resistance. You can see it was used here as a resistance level. It was used here as a resistance. We have a support. There is this break below. There's a continuation downwards, and then there is a support here. So if the price should, like as it is now, it is touching an untested support, so we can't clearly pick a buy position. If this zone was a verified support, then we should have taken a buy here. So on the last side, you can see there is nothing much. We'll check the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes so far, we do have a verified resistance here. We have a turncoat resistance, have untested resistance, and then you have a turncoat resistance. You have any support as such. So the other symbol which I'd like us to look at, so let's look at the BTC USD first today, because we've not looked at this for a very long time. So with the Bitcoin so far, we have a very good verified resistance here. We have a verified support here. So if the price, ignore these two lines first of all, ignore the lines which you're having at 50003.58. So if the price can come back up to this point and touches it, then this will be the correct place to look for a sell from. So we'd like to see price pull back up to this point, then we'll sell it temporarily up to when you see another verified support. And if the price comes down up to this point and touches it, then we're going to look for a buy from around the lower zone. The other symbol which I want us to look at the natural gas. Have it here. So the natural gas, so far you can see that we do have a very clear uptrend. There is no selling this symbol anytime soon. There is no resistance level. We do have an untested resistance level here, but on the last side we do have several support levels, which is this, and this one. So as it is now on this chart, I don't recommend looking for sell positions. Keep looking for buy orders. If the price pulls back to any of these green zones, either this or the lower one, then those will give us the correct place to look for a buy from. So we're not going to sell anything as it is now. We want to see price break beyond levels, pull back to those levels, and then we pick buy positions. The next symbol is gold. So on gold, we have a very good verified resistance level here. This is a very good zone. We have another verified resistance here. We have another verified resistance level here. And then we have a proven support here. So if the price should come back and touch this zone, then this will give us the ideal place to look for a sell from. If the price pulls back up to this point, we'll look for a buy position up to a verified resistance level. And if the price breaks beyond this resistance level, then the next level is the one at the top. It may even break up higher up to this level here. So thank you very much. This should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.